When it comes to modifying a car, not just any car, you know, that special car that's actually an extension of your personality? You have choices. And if you run a custom performance shop and recommend products to your clients, well, you have choices as well. At Fabspeed Motorsport USA, some of the choices we make create notable differences in the way our products perform or sound. For instance, we source the world's finest components for our valves, investment castings, and catalytic converters. There's something to be said about the choices a company makes.
Fabspeed Motorsport designs the world's finest performance parts for exotic sports cars.
That's Fabspeed. Here's a peek behind the curtain. At Fabspeed's Pennsylvania factory, we employ some of the best and most talented people on the planet. They're technicians and they're artists. A Fabspeed product starts by mapping the original OEM systems for physical fit and tolerances. We accurately define the design limits, size, and space constraints. Computer-aided design software, expertly manipulated, defines geometric dimensioning and tolerancing of the components to give our research and development teams the boundaries in which to work. The next steps in our design are amazingly non-technical. Our experts huddle together, led by Fabspeed's legendary founder, Joe Fabiani. And as a team, they explore the ways and means to incorporate Fabspeed's greatly improved system design into what is often a labyrinth of OEM restrictions and obstacles. This is prototyping, and it's all done by hand. We take the design and test it for both sound and performance. Neither can be compromised. Our calibrated dynamometer tells the performance truth. Smiles prove we have the sound just right. To produce the product perfectly each time, we take the now perfected prototype Gold Master fixtures and the reference standard and create manufacturing build specifications for our fabricators. CAM, or computer-aided manufacturing, is deployed to our in-house brakes, benders, lathes, and while technology helps ensure accuracy, it's the human eye and hand that ensures quality and pleasing aesthetics. Our team, we think they're the best in the world, grab the opportunity to demonstrate their artistic talents as they handcraft your specific Fabspeed brand product. Upon inspection, you may notice that one weld may look slightly different from another, yet be assured the quality of each is superb. Those subtle visual differences reflect the art and pride of the craftsman, and we're happy to show it off. Every customer's product goes through a rigorous final inspection. It's another choice we make to ensure that you are completely satisfied. Final packaging is critical because all of the hard work is lost with unintended shipping damage. Another choice we made was to invest in expanding foam-based molding. That cradles the product for shipping, protecting it en route to you. Finally, our gold seal of quality assurance is proudly imprinted and signed by the last hands to touch your product. Because what comes next is all about you.
Thank you for calling Fabspeed Motorsport. How can I help you? Thank you for calling Fabspeed Motorsport. How can I help you?
Hello, my name is Joe Fabiani. I'm the president and founder of Fabspeed Motorsports USA. We've been in business for over 30 years, designing, engineering, street racetrack testing, Autobahn testing, the world's finest exhaust systems for air-cooled, water-cooled Porsche cars, and in particular, the Boxster Cayman systems. Fabspeed will 100% guarantee you the best sports car sound and maximum power for all your Boxster and Cayman cars. And in particular, we use the world's finest components, HS catalytic converters from Germany, and helical aerospace quality valves from the UK. So please check us out online. We 100% guarantee you'll get the most horsepower, most torque, and we are the only company in all of North and South America to 100% bend our own tubing, cut our own flanges, and build everything in-house here at Fabspeed using the world's best components. no check engine light. You're clean and green, which I trademark. But now, exhaust, and you can use your factory Porsche header if you want a little more sports car sound. You can leave those on there if you're much better sports car sound, much better pitch sound, and you can rip the canvas sound a lot of glory.
Now your next step is going to be replacing the factory tip bracket with our Fabspeed tip bracket. Now that we've got both of our headers securely in place, we can go ahead and clamp it to the muffler. And there you have it. That's everything you need to do to convert your 992 GT3 from a swan neck to a touring look.
I can't say. I got a feeling that
Yalla, what you mean? I take you to field cause I'm the hottest flower boy that popped up on the scene. Feeling better, better than ever, cause you're umbrella, umbrella. Yalla, what you mean? I take you to field cause I'm the hottest flower boy that popped up on the scene. Feeling better, better than ever, cause you're umbrella, umbrella.
Three, 2, 1, action.
My name's Neil Friedan.
So, Jared Campese.
John Bevins.
My name is Cam.
It's Nick Yaskin.
8 o'clock, I was like, why am I going to this? I love it.
A lot of variety.
This is probably like the 4th or 5th time. It's a no-brainer.
Everyone's talkative. Everyone's kind of just in a good mood.
Come on.